Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dropshipping store website using Shopify. First, be sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we are going to go over here to our product section and here we're going to click on add product. Now here we're going to start filling all the blanks with our product's information. For example, for the title, I'm going to start with my AirPods. Here we're going to copy our title, and for the description, we're going to go over here on generate text and we're going to paste our title. Here we're going to click on generate so that Shopify is going to use its built-in AI to generate a description for us. Here we can either choose to generate the description again or just click keep to keep the one we already have. For media, we're going to click on upload new, and here we're going to choose an image for our product. On our right, we're going to have a product type, vendor, collections, and text section. For collections, make sure you add your product to your homepage collection, and here for tags you can put whatever you like. For example, I'm going to put drop shipping as one of my tags. You can see that here below our image we're going to have a category section. Now usually Shopify is going to choose a category for us and it's almost always going to be correct, but if we click over here we can change it if we so wanted. For the pricing, let's say that I'm going to charge around 40,000 pesos for my AirPods, and the cost per item is going to be around, let's say, 30,000 pesos. This is going to give us a 10,000 pesos profit at a 25% margin of profit. For inventory, we are not going to keep track of it, so we're just going to uncheck this. And here we also can assign a weight to our product in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. Once we are done customizing our product, we are going to go over here on the bottom right and we're going to click on save. As you can see now, we would have our first product ready for our online store. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on add a product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I want in my store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. So as you can see here, I have added a couple more products. For example, I have added a MacBook Air, a Harry Potter book collection, and some Adidas sneakers. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our online store over here and we're going to start customizing it. The first thing that we're going to be able to change is going to be its theme, and here at the bottom you can see that Shopify is going to provide us with a bunch of different free themes that we can use. But if we want to see more, we can click over here on visit theme store and we are going to be redirected to the Shopify theme store where we are going to be able to shop for a bunch of different themes. Some of these themes may better suit our website, but for me I'm just going to keep with the default one for now. So once we are back over here, we're going to click on customize, and here we're going to be able to start customizing our website. As you can see, we're going to click on this section and each section is going to be outlined by this blue line once it's selected, and here on the top left the name of the section is going to be displayed. On our right, we're going to have a bunch of different options to customize our section. For example, this is our image banner and we're going to choose an image to be displayed as our banner. Here we're going to click on select, add images, and we're going to select an image to be our banner. Once it's done uploading, we're going to click on done, and as you can see, our banner is now changed. Next, we're going to click on our heading and we're going to change the text to, for example, welcome to my drop shipping website. There you go. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here on template, we're going to click on add a section, and here we're going to have a bunch of different options to make a new section. For example, we're going to have featured collection, featured product, collection list, rich text, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and here at the bottom a new section is going to appear. Once it's selected, here on the top right, I'm going to click on select and we're going to choose a product to be displayed right over here. For example, I'm going to choose my Adidas sneakers. As you can see, now the product is being displayed on my new section. And now let's say that we want to change the color scheme, for example, of this section, and we're going to boost a nice dark theme over there. Now let's say that we have added a new section by mistake, for example a featured collection, and we want to delete this new section. We just have to make sure that we have the section we want to delete selected, and once it's selected we're going to click over here on the bottom right on remove section. That way the section is going to be completely removed. We can also add sections to our footer. As you can see over here, we can add an email sign up or a custom liquid if we want. And the same goes for our header. We can click here and we can add a custom liquid and an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is going to be that right over here, the name of our store is going to be displayed. That way, if we want to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes. We're going to go back, and here on the home page of Shopify, we're going to click on name your store, name store, and here it's going to redirect us to this section, which we're going to be able to use to change our store's name. For example, I'm just going to put drop shipping and I'm going to save my changes. Now, in order to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go back to our online store, and here we're going to click on the three dots, preview, and as you can see, this is going to redirect us to our website. Here on our header, you can see that the name of the store is now changed. We can scroll down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want. And once we are done, we're going to go back over here in order to check out the analytics and marketing section. And next, we're going to go over here to the analytics section. Now, this is going to be a really important section for us, guys, because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and many different things, such as, for example, which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, among many other things and information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we go to discount, I'm going to click on add discount. We are going to choose an amount of products, and here we're going to be able to customize our own discount for our online store. For example, here we can choose the code. Let's say we're going to put code 101, or we can just click over here and Shopify is going to provide us a random code for us. Below it, we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage amount. I'm going to choose a percentage, and let's say we're going to have a 10% discount. Below it, we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, we are going to click on browse, and I'm going to choose the products of my homepage collection. If we keep going down, you can see that we have more options to further customize our discounts, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and lastly here, if we click on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 29th, and here I'm going to click Save Discount. Now we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.